Siyabonga bakwethu bekukubonga nje ukuthi sibe sonke la angethemba ukuthi nina la lama comrade niwazonke abala shintshile izinto emadoda kodwa ngisho into engafuneki ngisho uyakana ngisho njalo asibongeni bakwethu bekukubonga nje siyayibongela thina mina ke kakhulu ngiyayibongela ngalezi insizwa nentombi niyazi ukuthi basukaphi njengoba ngena emkhonweni sezwe kwakuthiwa yini laba bekuyo konje kuqala Khongolosi kagogo nansi ngakusho njalo kuyigogo abafuni kuba ugogo lapho kuba nathi babe fresh ngayo yonke indlela.
We advance, we strengthened, we empower our knowledge and ability to decide. Greetings to everyone. You are watching Ramasel. Today we are going to talk a little bit about the recent MKP political parties media briefing, specifically President Jacob Zuma. Fellow South Africans, the biggest question that comes around is, can we say that the recent introduction of President Jacob Zuma, of Mme Zanele Gumede joining MKP from African National Congress, does it show us the depth under which the new formed political parties bring into the field, like bringing new people that are not the same people that we have been facing back where we come from, specifically like from the ANC? Is it worth it that the people that we have seen in the previous political parties must come up again and be the very same leaders into new political parties, of which sometimes you find that the very same people that were our leaders in the old political parties, we were not agreeing with them. And then upon us trying to move to the new political parties, we find ourselves having to be led all over again by the very same people that we were trying to say we are leaving behind from the old political parties. Now, specifically on the MK political party, we can see the number of major political leaders from African National Congress that have come into MKP. Can we say they came in over to bring depth, value, but the people like Nathi Nhleko, Tony Engeni, the treasurer, Mr. Molefe, Mr. Mchunu in KZN, now Zandile Gumede, and several others that people might be knowing. Are they here to bring depth, or what do we expect? And what is this that they are going to bring, or they are already bringing, that we didn't see them doing in the ANC previously? Can we say there is the visibility of a depth from them different to what they have been in African National Congress? Can we hear what people, specifically the members of MKP, are saying about this? Do we see any difference? Is it okay that the people that were from the other political parties, are they coming over and taking over, when we were thinking that we're moving from the old political parties to the new ones, and then by virtue of that we're thinking that we're bringing something new, but we found the very same people coming over and leading? Are they not bringing the very same ANC mentality over? And is it not the reason why South Africans are not changing in bigger numbers the political parties that they've been voting for. Because if you say you are leaving ANC and then you go to the new political parties, but the leaders that you were leaving ANC, they are following you to the new political parties. It means you have only changed the bottle, but the medicine is still the same. And am I correct by saying that? Now, moving on to a person of Mayor Zanele Gumede, we all know the shades that are following her in regard to some of alleged corruption and the likes. And then we have heard how the Secretary General of MKP went on and to defend her, you know. But when we go into the other field, we see people trying, for example, in the situation of a man like Julius Malema to become up and say, no, your name is mentioned, and then as a result, that being the mere fact that the name is mentioned, it leaves a cloud, but the person is it's in a cloud of a situation like Mr. Mulefe that is in a court case in regard to a particular matters of on his previous employment. Can we say it's a contradiction? Are we be able to balance out what we say by the people into other political parties versus what is in what we do in our own political parties? Are we expecting to see a change in the political landscape in the future when the very same people are circling around from different political parties? The same people, but we say we want a change. Let's hear what you say on the comment section. What do you think about the steps and the decision by President Zuma to bring along Mayor Zanele Gumede? Thanks for watching the video.